Hey everybody, this is Ruspreet Gill and I finally went out there and picked up my first ever action camera. This is the Hero 7 and I know the Hero 8 is already out there. It was a tough decision to make, but let's just unbox this and I'll tell you more about it. So this one out here is a special bundle of the Hero 7 Black and you're getting a few accessories like a shorty, battery and a 32 gigs extreme SanDisk memory card. Everything about it is really similar in terms of the specs to the Hero 8 except for the Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization feature, which I realized I'm not going to be needing as much. And the main reason why I picked this one over the Hero 8 and I was really gutted was just because of this removable lens that's not present on the Hero 8. And you know these are action cams, rough usage, everything about it is gonna happen. I've seen a few videos on YouTube on which they've shown that the GoPro Hero 7 lacks in stability compared to the new Hyper Smooth 2.0 on the Hero 8. But now I'm not much of an adrenaline junkie myself, so this one should definitely cut it. Got some GoPro stickers there, neat. Questions, documentation, set it up and all that stuff. More safety instructions, probably not to take major risks with your life. There comes the added kit with the bundle, the memory card, extra battery. Now these are not the blue ones that you're going to be getting with the Hero 8. However, the Hero 8 batteries are compatible with the Hero 7. The Hero 7 batteries are not compatible with the Hero 8. It's another speed mount that you're getting inside there. Got your charging cable, which is USB-C. And there's the shorty. I'm pretty sure this one is an extendable one. So that's about it then. That's everything that you're getting in the box with the Hero 7. Now I don't need to get any of that stuff like that screen protector that they've released with the Hero 8. I could just simply use this one, rough use it how much ever I want to, and then just simply replace the lens in case it scratches or breaks, whatever it is. So that does it for the unboxing, guys, and I'm totally eager to see you watching my videos using this beast right out here. So I'll see you in the next one.